In today's video, I'll show you how to quickly find and restore hidden chats in Microsoft Teams. With so many features and conversations happening at once, it's easy for important chats to disappear from view. The good news is that bringing them back is simple, and I'll walk you through exactly how to do it. To begin, make sure you're signed into Microsoft Teams. Open the Teams app and log in with your account details if you haven't already. You need to be inside your account to access your full chat history. Once you're in, look at the top of the Teams window where you'll see the search bar. This search bar is the easiest and fastest way to locate chats that have been hidden. Click into the search bar and type the name of the person whose chat you think is hidden. As you type, Microsoft Teams will automatically show matching results. If you don't see it right away, double-check the spelling or try searching using different variations of the name. When the hidden chat appears in the search results, click on it. This will open the conversation and make it visible again in your Teams window so you can review the messages. If you want to make sure the chat stays visible permanently, there's one more step. With the chat open, look for the three-dot menu, also known as More Options, located near the chat name. Click on it to open additional settings for that conversation. From the menu, select Unhide. This action restores the chat to your main chat list so you won't need to search for it again in the future. And that's it. You've successfully found and unhidden a chat in Microsoft Teams. This simple method helps you stay organized and ensures that important conversations are always easy to access. If you found this video helpful, leave a comment, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more Microsoft Teams tips and tutorials.